In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch edit photos in Luminar Neo. If you've ever come back from a trip or an event with a full memory card, this workflow will help you apply a consistent look to the entire set in a fraction of the time. First, bring your images into Luminar Neo's catalog. Open the catalog panel and choose Add Photos or Add Folder. Then point to the images you plan to process together. It's helpful to keep related shots in one folder or album so you can see everything at a glance. Give the app a moment to build previews before you start. This makes browsing smoother and helps you evaluate exposure and color more accurately. Next, edit one photo as your master. Open a representative image from the group and make all your adjustments: exposure, white balance, color, contrast, and any AI tools you use regularly. Pick a photo that reflects the lighting and mood of the majority of the set. Zoom in to check details like noise and sharpening, and fine-tune until this single image looks exactly the way you want the rest to look. When you're satisfied, sync those adjustments to the rest. In the catalog, gallery, or film strip view, click the edited image so it has the orange outline. Then select the other photos you want to match. Hold Shift to select a continuous range, or use Control on Windows or CMD on Mac to pick images one by one. Right-click and choose Adjustments, then Sync Adjustments, or use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus S on Windows, or Shift plus CMD plus S on Mac. Luminar will copy all the edits from your master image to the selected photos. Most global changes carry over smoothly, but keep in mind that local edits like crop, erase, or background removal don't sync and should be handled individually. After syncing, spot check a few images shot in different lighting and make small tweaks if needed. If you want to reuse the same look later, save your master adjustments as a custom preset or template. Back in the catalog, select the images you want and apply that preset or template to the whole selection for consistent, repeatable results across multiple projects. Finally, export your edited photos. Select all the images, click Export, and choose your settings: file format, size, naming, quality, and destination. For web use, JPEG in sRGB with moderate quality and a set long edge works well. For printing or archiving, consider higher quality or TIFF. Start the export, and Luminar will process the batch automatically. That's the complete workflow for fast, consistent batch editing in Luminar Neo.